Dig, man, there goes Mac the Knife. Oh, the shark has pretty teeth, dear, and he shows them a pearly white. Just a jackknife has Mac Heat, dear, and he keeps it out of sight. When the shark bites with his teeth, dear, scarlet billows start to spread. Fancy gloves, though, wears Mac Heat, dear, so there's not a trace of red on the sidewalk. Sunday morning, baby, lies a body oozing life. Someone sneaking around the corner. Is there someone Mac the Knife from a tugboat by the river? A cement bags drooping down. Yes, the cement's just for the weight, dear. Bet you Mac He's back in town. Look at here, Louis Miller disappeared, dear, after drawing out his cash. And Mac Heat spends like a sailor. Did our boy do something rash? Suki Tawdry, Jenny Diver, Lottie Lanyard, Sweet Lucy Brown. Oh, the line forms on the right, dears. Now that Mac He's back in town. Take it, Satch.